Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. Has the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Paint's in excellent shape on the tractor. Has the corner post exhaust, work lights in front and back of the tractor. Overall, the tractor is clean inside and out. Starts, runs, and works as it should with absolutely no known issues. Has these telescopic 3-point arms, 540 and 540E PTO, dual rear remotes. You have a little bit of scuffs on the back fenders here, on both back fenders, but overall, again, very clean tractor. Show you the inside of the cab. It's nice and clean in here, similar to the outside. Does have the air ride seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. 540E selector back here behind the seat. Has the 12-speed transmission. You have 3 ranges in the shorter lever, 4 synchronized gears in the larger lever. Loader control also here within easy reach. 3-point remote and PTO, 4-wheel drive, and hand throttle, all located directly to the right of the seat there. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Tractor has 100 horsepower. We do take trade-ins. We can certainly take trades from anywhere. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.